Para with Uber Eats. In this video, you are going to learn how to use Para with Uber Eats. So let's get started. First, visit the official website or download the Para app and sign up for account if required. After that, check compatibility, verify if Para is compatible with Uber Eats, review the documentation or information provided by Para to understand how it integrates with the Uber Eats. After that, link your Uber Eats account. Follow the instructions provided by Para to link your Uber Eats driver account with your platform. This may involve logging into your Uber Eats account through the Para platform. After that, Para may have specific steps or settings that you need to configure within their platform to enable the integration with Uber Eats. Follow these steps carefully. Then testing. After the integration is set up, conduct some test transactions to ensure that Para is properly working with Uber Eats and that any features or functionalities are functioning as expected. As services and features can change, it is important to check for updates from both Para and Uber Eats. Look for any new features, improvements, or changes that may impact the integration. That's all. That's how you will be able to use Para with Uber Eats.